everyone, welcome to another video. How are you guys doing today? Good? Today, I'm gonna teach you how to make a simple Sylvanian dress using things you probably have at home or are pretty easy to find. This one right here is gonna be our model for today. This is the big sister chocolate bunny, and we're gonna give her a ballet core pink princess dress using some ribbons and lace. I'm gonna be using a sewing machine, but you can easily do it with your hands. And I also have my glue gun just in case everything goes wrong. That's an easy fix. Yeah, it's a little bit crusty looking from all the crafting I've been doing. Anyway, fun fact, I bought the sewing machine for making cosplay costumes, but that didn't really work out for me. So we're gonna be using it to make Sylvanian clothing. Here's everything I prepared for today. We got some ribbons, we got some lace, we got a glue gun, some pair of scissors, and some jam stickers. So for the skirt part, I'm gonna be using this thick pink ribbon that's slightly larger than what we want. I'm gonna fold it like so to create the illusion of layering, and inside I'm gonna place a piece of my lace that I have right here.
Okay, now I have it pinned so you can see what I'm actually trying to do here, and now it's time to sew it together.
Alright, this is far from perfect, but we're gonna work with what we have. I have this little thing to keep all my pins so I don't lose them. I'm just stabbing him. So yeah, this is how it turned out. Now we're gonna cut this threads off. And right here. And now we're gonna measure how much we need of this. So we're gonna measure it. I'm gonna keep it a little longer because I want to give that puffiness. Yeah, it's about here. Let's cut it. This is basically what I'm left with. Now this is the fun part. I'm gonna be using my hands for this. Taking a needle. It works better if you have elastic thread, but I don't have any. I'm gonna just use the regular one, but it works better if you have elastic thread. I'm taking a piece of thread. Okay. And now I'm gonna be doing in and out. Can you see what I'm doing? Oh my god, it's hard to show you. And in and out. Okay, just do the whole thing. And now that I have the thread pulled through, I'm gonna flip it and sew it together. You see those little edges? Now I'm gonna cut off this excess part. Cool. Now we have our skirt, and I'm going to use the same lace to create a little top part for the dress. And I'm gonna use my hands for this because it's too tiny to do it with a machine. I'm measuring and cutting here. Okay. This is the piece I'm gonna be using, and once again, I'm flipping it inside out. I'm going here on the front, and I'm gonna sew it like so. Okay, now I have something that looks like this. Don't worry about this part, I'm gonna cover it up. Yeah, it's time to dress our little Sylvanian. I'm gonna pull it while she's wearing it. And tie it. Good. The next part is to add some straps to hold the dress together, and for that I'm gonna be using the same lace that I used for the whole dress. I'm cutting 2 random pieces of the lace to use it as straps. Now, once again, I'm gonna be using my hands to sew them together, creating an X on the back, and I'm gonna show you the end result. All right, and now that everything is done, we're moving to the last part.
Now on to the final part. I have my stickers right here, and I'm gonna secure them with my glue gun. And this is how it ended up looking. I did most parts off camera because it was kind of hard to hold the glue gun. But yeah, I added some of my stickers and secured them with the glue gun, and now it's all nice and cute.
So this is all I have for you guys today. I hope you had fun making this little Sylvanian dress with me, and let me know if you want more. I'll be very happy to make more. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more Sylvanian videos. I really appreciate when you support my work, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!